Have you ever wanted to know more about your auto repairs but were afraid to ask your mechanic? This brief video provides you with information designed to help you make the right decisions about your auto repairs.
A fuel cap protects your fuel supply by providing a cover for your fuel tank. They are designed to prevent fuel loss and keep out contamination. Making sure your fuel cap is secured tightly will help decrease fuel loss due to evaporation. But if your check engine light comes on or you're using more fuel than usual, chances are your fuel cap needs replacing. Without a functioning fuel cap, gas will evaporate and reduce your fuel efficiency by 1 to 2%. And if ignored long enough, you may eventually damage your fuel pump and filters. From a safety standpoint, there's a low safety risk, but you could run out of gas and end up stranded. But from an environmental point of view, a leaky fuel cap will cause gas to evaporate and increase your carbon footprint.